So here is part 2 of our salmon. We see that I've cooked it to a nice brown. I've also given it a little red pepper. Here's a third slice. And now I have some diced potatoes. And in Colombia, they will sometimes fry bananas. So I'm going to do that too. And I'm just going to throw some potatoes and bananas in to get fried as our side serving. Okay. And once we get this to a nice crispy brown, we're going to have that as a side dish to our salmon. See? Nothing dishwashery. And this is actually our dishwasher and doesn't even work. I don't know why someone from Britain was talking about dishwasher salmon. I've never heard of dishwasher salmon. I do think that Britain will still have better fish in the long run because you're on an island, fresher fish, but yeah. Dishwasher salmon, I've never had that. So take that, dishwasher salmon.